Hello everyone and welcome. I'm Professor Prompt, and this is my amazing robot friend, Bleep. Go on, say hello. Bleep bloop. Haha, he's the best. So, today, we're gonna learn some real magic, the magic of how to talk to robots.
So, I've got a question for you. Have you ever tried talking to a robot? You know, it's not always as easy as you think. My friend Bleep here, he's super duper smart, but, well, sometimes he gets a little bit silly. Just the other day, I told him I needed a bat, and he brought me a baseball bat to cuddle with. So, you see, he needs very, very special instructions to get things right.
See, robots like Bleep can be a huge help. They do things so fast. But here's the secret. They don't really have imaginations like you and I do. They only do exactly what you tell them. There's no guessing involved.
Now, these special instructions, they're kind of like magic words. And every good magic word has a very cool, very official name. We call them prompts. Can you say that with me? Ready? Prompts.
That's right. A prompt is just the magic spell you tell a robot to get it to make something for you. It's really the key that unlocks all of Bleep's amazing powers. But there's a little trick to making sure the magic spell works every single time.
So are you ready to see some of this magic right now? Okay, we're going to try a really simple magic word on Bleep. Let's just see what happens.
Okay, Bleep, are you ready for your magic word? Bleep, I command you, draw a dog. Bleep, bloop, drawing. Ooh, he's working on it. What do you think he's drawing? A big dog? A little dog?
And he's finished. Let's see it. Oh my. Ha ha. Oh, Bleep, that's a hot dog. It even has mustard on it. Bleep, yummy. Oh, it does look yummy, Bleep, I'll give you that. But it's not quite the dog I had in my head. So what happened? Was Bleep just being silly? No, not at all. The problem was our magic word. It just wasn't specific enough. I said dog, and that can mean a fluffy puppy or, a hot dog. He did exactly what I told him, but our spell wasn't magical enough.
But don't you worry, I know the secret recipe for the best, most powerful magic words in the world. It's time for us to become specific scientists.
And the recipe is as easy as 1, 2, 3. First, step 1, you think it. Get a perfect picture in your imagination. Step 2, add details. What color is it? What's it doing? And where is it? And finally, step 3, say it. You tell your robot friend your new super specific magic word.
Okay, Bleep, let's try this one more time. Here is our new super duper specific magic word. Ready? Draw a fluffy golden puppy playing with a blue ball in the grass. Bleep bloop. I know. Oh, he sounds way more sure of himself this time, doesn't he?
Are you ready for the big reveal? Let's say the magic word together on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, poof!
Ta-da! Oh, look at that. It's the perfect puppy. See what happened? Because we added all those amazing details, fluffy, golden, plain, blue ball, grass, Bleep knew exactly what we were imagining. Great job, Bleep.
So, here's the most important thing to remember. When you're talking to a robot like Bleep, you are the boss. That's right, you're the teacher, and the robot is your super helpful student who's ready to create anything you can think of.
So, let's go over that secret recipe one more time. First, you are the teacher. Second, the robot is your helper. And third, your super specific, detailed words are what create the magic. The clearer your spell, the better the robot can help you. It's that simple.
And now, I have a very important mission for all you specific scientists watching right now. What is your super specific magic word going to be? What incredible thing can you dream up? Go ask your parents to help you think of a really, really descriptive prompt. The power to create anything is in your words. Thanks for joining us today. Bye-bye. Bleep bloop bye.